In this video, we will talk about how to fix Bluetooth not working on Windows 10. Method 1. Basic steps. First, we need to ensure Bluetooth is enabled and airplane mode is disabled. For that, click on Windows icon. Open Settings, Network and Internet. On the left, select Airplane Mode and turn it off. Now go back, click on Device, and make sure Bluetooth is on. Method 2. Bluetooth Troubleshooter. Click on Start. Take your cursor on gear icon. Open Settings. Click on Update and Security. On the left, select Troubleshoot. Then Additional Troubleshooters. Scroll it down, click on Bluetooth, and select Run the Troubleshooter. Method 3. Services. Click in Search. Type Services. Select Open. Here, you need to search 3 Bluetooth services: Bluetooth Audio Gateway Service, Bluetooth Support Service, and Bluetooth User Support Service. You have to right-click on these services one by one and restart it. If you find it disabled, either of the services, right-click on it, select Properties, and change the startup type to Automatic. Afterwards, click on Apply and OK. Method 4. Bluetooth Adapter. If nothing helps, you can purchase an external Bluetooth adapter. I have included a link in the description. I would recommend you to buy the same, as I have tested this Bluetooth adapter for almost 5 years. So that's how you can fix Bluetooth not working on Windows 10. See you in the next video.